Okay, yo. I don't even know. Okay, I actually do know because it's like right there in front of my face. It's September 8th. It's a Monday. It is spring and yeah, 2025, bro. Oh, I don't know how to honor to start this video. Damn, my keyboard is dusty as fuck, bro. Look at that. I don't think we can see that. Let me just get some more. Bro, I haven't used my keyboard in a minute, bro. Look at that. There's dust. Fuck. Well, this place is dusty, to be fair. But anyway, like, yeah, I think I've been trying to. No, what's the word? I've been like procrastinating on doing something like this. I didn't want to shoot videos. I feel like not documenting my trading come up, so to speak. Like, no one will care about that, but I care about it, so I guess that's the only thing that matters, right? So, yeah, I guess this is the first of many documentation videos that I'm gonna have because I know where I'm gonna be in a year from now. I said this actually in beginning of August or end of August actually. I know where I see myself in a year. I'm consistently making my salary more than my salary a month, and this is just a disclaimer, putting it out there that I know I'm gonna look back at this video a year from now. I'm like, damn, I called it. I freaking called it. Like I just gotta be delusional about it, you know. I just gotta like stop focusing so much on the end product and just enjoy the journey as well. Because I essentially started like learning about it like November last year, 2024. And then I started trading live and demo and everything this year, March. So it's like I'm good 6 months in. But I would say from the time I started, damn, this MacBook is fanning out, bro. Shit. But anyway, just thinking how far I've come, bro. Like, pause. Like, I started with like not knowing shit about like what resistance is, what a support is. Now I know like liquidity is, I know order blocks, I know breaker block, I know all these concepts, but I don't trade like that. This is just some things that I learned. But different types of candlesticks, the Hikanashi, the Japanese, and the bar sticks, but I just never really used the bar ones. I just used Hikanashi for like a bit, and then I'm just been bar. I never used. I use the line graphs sometimes, but yeah. Anyway, moral of the story is I have come so far with what I've learned, bro. Like, and it's just 6 months. 6 months like really flew by so quick, and it didn't even feel like 6 months. If I'm being honest, it did not feel like 6 months like whatsoever, and I'm just excited as to like to see where I'm gonna be in a year's time from now. Even though I know and have an idea of where I want to be, but it's just having that actually pan out and play out and me see it, because I knew back then that I was gonna know how to trade. Like I was gonna figure it out. Like there was gonna be something that clicks. I was like learning up and down. I even got a mentor, bro. Like, but to be fair, I don't think I really learned how to trade from him. I just basically got the mentorship to be in a group with other like-minded people, which is cool. And it has its own value in its own respect. But I didn't get taught how to trade because like I got like charts and stuff here. Like I even threw away some of the things that he gave me, but I kept some of them, like the mindset, the habits to practice, and the things to use, like the uptrend, downtrend. I don't really use trend lines like that. I can just determine that okay, we are on a downtrend just based off seeing high highs and high lows and low highs and low lows and stuff like. So I can see price action. Like I know market structure and price action like to the T. Like I can see it now. Like I got a chart lined up and everything. So um, I just don't like the fact that it doesn't mock up the charts that I have on there on my phone, because I normally trade on my phone. I don't really use the laptop like that, but I need to start getting into using the laptop. But yeah, yeah, it's been a journey, man. 6 months, and I feel like you just know it. Like you would know that this is your purpose, like this is your calling, this is what you're supposed to be doing with your life, and there's nothing else that you need to be doing with your life, because this is the only thing that you need to be doing with your life. There's nothing else. Fuck everything else. Like you just know that this is it, and there's nothing else to it. It's just you and whatever it is that you're doing, you know. So yeah, I need to get more into using my laptop to mark up my charts and stuff. It's actually kind of fun. But anyway, back to the moral of the story. 6 months in, blue accounts, made money. I saw that trading is really a thing that I want to do because I made like 10K, but this is based off my mentors. I won't give out his name, but this was based off his signal, and I was at work at the time, and I was going crazy. I'm like, damn, I just made 10K in like 2 minutes, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? I could do this, and I was so excited. I even got so hungry. I still didn't know how to fucking trade. Like, nah, tomorrow he's gonna send that thing. I'm gonna risk this 1,000 rand that I have left. I withdrew most of it, took care of like other expenses whatsoever. But yeah, man, and now we're here, and I feel like I just have to just document. Like, there's nothing wrong with documenting, and I feel like I'm also gonna see the progress that I have going forward. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. Probably might not, but yeah, I'll see. I'll see. But yeah, man. Now I figured how to trade much more confidently and without like feeling like, yo, man, I don't know what I'm doing. But I know now that okay, this is what I'm doing right now. I need to wait for price to do this, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll be good. Like there's really nothing else to it, you know. But we'll see, we'll see. Yeah. So I'm gonna have like um ideas and what to like execute for videos and stuff. But I figure I just start off with an introduction um as to what I'm doing, how far I've come, and then yeah. So yeah, blew numerous accounts. I think my NT4 is like a negative 5,000. NT5, that's a trade to 45. With fault, I'm up 7K on that account. And then my micro on my NT4 is like negative 100. And then the NT5 micro, I think I'm negative probably 400 now because I took a trade today. It's Monday and the trade didn't go as planned. I'm so like vexed, but I was vexed, but I'm okay now. Like, trade NFP last week went well, and CPI is on Thursday. PPI is on Wednesday. So the markets might be choppy tomorrow, like nasdaq. Oh yeah, I trade nasdaq, US 30 now, gold as well, because I see gold's proper, and German 30 is what I've been trading this whole time. So those are the 4 pays that I focus on, and I hope to continue them. I don't fuck with forex pairs, they move way too slow. But they do have market structure, but nah, I'm not there. So yeah, it's Monday. Took a trade on German 30. I'm gonna break it down and show you how I analyzed it, and why. Like, another thing I need to fix in my psychology. Actually, a few things I need to fix. If I have a bias, I need to stick to it and not change the plan. Because I was bearish, but it was a low key. Like, it wasn't really a big sell off, but I would have made money had I stuck to that because I did enter sales and I did make like $30. This is a micro account. I'm some micro account. The plan is okay. I'll get into that later. Micro account for now, and it sold off. And okay, shit. But actually, in 15 minutes, forgetting that high time frames hold higher power, I entered buys, and it kind of bought for a bit, and then it just started dropping. And the reason why I lost, because I made profits. My problem is I made profits, and I still want to trade with them. I need to like trade and then get out of a trade and get off the charts for like the whole day, or wait for like New York session. My problem is like I made money now, but I want to trade the reverse. I want to get in again, and it's like, bro, I made money. I beat the market. I need to just get out of the market. Like, I don't need to be on the charts again, and that's my problem, bro. Like, when I win, I get greedy. I just want to make more. But then I had two biases. I fixed that greediness, but I had two biases. I thought, okay, no, but then it's gonna buy because 15 minutes it indicated above this level and it was bearish, and then I entered only for it to sell off, chop my account, not most of it. Well, actually most of it, and not all of it, and then Yeah, I was up like 170. I lost like 140 now. Like left with like $30. I was like, damn, I could just walked away. But anyway, yeah, you live and you learn, man. And what I like about the micro account is that I can be blowing these 100 rand accounts, and I'll still feel like bummed out, but I'm also gathering data. That's my whole MO with this. Like I told myself, I'm gonna give myself 3 months. It was October, no, it was August. It's September now, and then end of October, I'm jumping back into my standard account. But this is with not. I don't know actually. I think I should still stick to micro until I've stacked up, because the whole goal is now, as you're watching this in the future, you're gonna thank me for this. The whole goal is now, from October, I will be saving 2 bands, hopefully 2.5 as much as, but 2 bands is the minimum. 2 bands until March, which will mark the first year or a year that I've been trading, right? So 2 bands, 2 bands, 2 bands, building up capital, building up as much capital. Then I can't speak. Building up as much capital to trade, so I could so I could not grow faster, but I could actually like get like reap the rewards, if that makes sense. And I would have been a year of trading, and it would have been like it's August. Okay, it was August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 8 months of the strategy that I'm implementing. There's no ways that I'm gonna fail, bro. Like I know for a fact that, because it's so simple and it's just catching the right trades. And I remember last month because I had two strategies. I was watching TGR videos, and I kind of was, for the first like few weeks of July, I was profitable. I'm not profitable. I was getting the hang of it, but I figured, nah, there's too many things to remember, because I'm forgetting order blocks, I'm forgetting breaker blocks, I'm forgetting this, that, daily buys. And I was like, bro, there's just too much. And then Psy's video popped up, and I was like, damn, okay, he's much more simple, and he makes more bank, which obviously you're gonna go towards. I feel like I gravitate towards someone who's making more money. I feel like anyone would, because TJ doesn't make as much money as Psy does. And it's like, what the fuck? This guy makes 230 bands, 280 bands, a million a trade, bro. And it's trading so simply. But then GR has all these other London highs, session highs, with previous day highs and lows. It's like, bro, it's just so much. So now with this way of trading, it's just simple, just pure price action. Am I seeing high highs? Am I seeing high lows? Did we break below this level? Because price will not disrespect the support if it's not trying to change trends. You understand? So yeah. So essentially, I'm gonna get on the charts now, because I'm just already looking at it right now. But anyway, yeah. So 8 months of trading the strategy, getting used to it, stacking up capital for my main account. I'll probably still be on my micro account, but I'll be trading like 500, putting 500 aside every month, and then trade with that, practice. So at least that way, I will still be learning, making a little bit of money here and there, and whatever profits I make, I throw it into the main account, the standard account, and build that up until it's like, it's more than enough, like about 20k sitting in the account, But from then, it's probably going to be like 12 or 14, if I'm not mistaken. But with the profits, hopefully I know everything will go well. I'll find the best setups and trade those, and then like put my money where my mouth is and just open 0.50 lots. But yeah, that's the goal. Stack up capital for the next few months till March. Jump back to my main account, my main standard account. Start trading that. From March, it'll be March, April, May, June, July. It will be April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. Now 6 months to prove myself that I can make my salary. Even if for 6 months, I just gotta be consistent. 6 months of making my salary, replacing my job. That'll be the first goal. Okay, let me replace my job. And I can say, okay, I've replaced my job. I still got capital saved up on the side. I still got my leave days from work saving up and building up. I've got my pension building up. I'm still working, still saving capital. Whatever profits I make, I'm putting that away. The salary that I'm making, I'm putting it away. Okay, obviously spending a little bit here and there, but building up as much capital. So by 2027, because next is 2026, I'm done retail. That is my goal, and that is what I'm putting out to the universe. I don't care how delusional it sounds, but I know deadline is December 2026. I'm done working at retail, whether I'm still at Adidas or I move to another company that's still retail, but I'm done. Because I'm going to be consistently proving that I can make my salary and replace my job. Because what also fucks me up is that I'm at work and I can't really analyze properly. I wake up in the morning, fine, I pull up my phone, that's the first thing I look at. And then get out, brush my teeth, go exercise, go hit the gym at home. Okay, I go dumb. I'll just say I hate the gym because it is gymming. And then do my daily affirmations. And then, get ready for work. But how cool would it be? I just wake up, because I remember I was on leave, and I'll just watch. I'll just analyze the charts. Wake up 8:30, chill, mark up my charts or whatever. This was using the other strategy, but now I feel like even if I set alerts, I don't want to be on the charts the whole day. If I don't see anything in the next hour or two, I'm done for the day. Then I can go about my day and do whatever it is I need to do. But I know for a fact, bro, next year, December, I'll be out. It will probably even happen earlier, because I would have been getting so much better at this skill compared to how I am now. But I'm better at trading now than I was 6 months ago. So there's progress. There's definitely progress. Because now I understand the charts. Obviously I don't have the money to prove it, but I've got the knowledge. I understand how the market moves and when to enter, because that was also the problem. I didn't know when to enter and when to exit. But yeah, this video is kind of long. Damn, I've been ranting. But anyway, it's 9:30 now. I got a journal for last week Friday's trade and today's trade. I got my little journal here, and this journal's actually almost finished. Now that I was looking at it the other day, like damn, a little clean journal, clean notebook. It's almost done, bro. And so far I've taken like 30 trades. Okay, it's not 30. I've traded for 30 days or 30 times in the past month. I saw the end of July, whole of August, been journaling, and yeah, it's been helping, man. Like, I don't lie, I did not want to journal at all. I was trying to go the easier route and record it, but even then I wasn't consistent with that. But now I've been consistent with this, like every day. The fact that I did it 30 times takes 21 days to create a habit, and now I've been doing it, and I don't think I could. But I'm glad that I'm here right now. I've really shown myself that I can do this. Like, this is for me. I'm destined. This is my calling, bro. Like, I'm praying now. It's crazy. Like, I was kind of like in a rut in the last few years. I mean, I was comfortable, but I just felt like there was just more that I could do, man. Like, even last year, but that's another story for another day as to why I basically attracted this calling, and that I needed this to happen for me. Or I manifested this for myself. So I thank my pastor. Thank you. Love you, bro. But yeah, man. Oh, I'm also reading. I'm trying to read. I was supposed to read today, but I actually went to. Oh shit! I actually gotta come up with business names. There's my girlfriend texting. But yeah. Yeah, man. I gotta go and read now. I wasn't on chapter. I wasn't here, bro. I was like on page 20 and something. 215, right? 210. What page was on? I think I was in 210. I was 211. Oh yeah. I'm here. I'm reading Think and Grow Rich. That's the book I'm reading. But yeah, I was also reading more. This is like my third book I've read this year. Read Everything is Fact. I read The 4 Agreements. This is the third book. But I've been kind of like here and there with the book. But I'm going to try and be more consistent. I still got to get into the trade that I took today. Damn. Okay. But yeah, man, that's enough of me disclaiming what I'm gonna do. I'll probably just put this on YouTube or whatever. But yeah, thank you for listening. I'm gonna keep documenting these days, bro, and just speaking to the camera and just yeah, just gotta get more comfortable in front of the camera and speaking. And my eyes are red. I'm exhausted, bro. I woke up like at 7. I had to be at work at 7 today, but I can't wait to say it. I don't have to be at work anymore. But yeah, for the next few months, I gotta lock in, bro. Past few months I was locked in. I have not looked at the charts. There wasn't a day where I did not look at the charts in the past 6 months. So you already know I'm consistent as fuck right now. I'm like, I already know where I'm gonna be. Like I said, I'm gonna be retired from retail by December 2026. Probably even before that. I would have made my salary consistently. I would have had like over 100K in my account. Like, bro, I would have paid off my debt. Like, bro, I'm just gonna be like, I'll just be like comfortable, like free. I'll be on the path to be financial. I'm already on the path, but I would have the results. I wouldn't be stressing about anything. Like, my mom would be straight, bro. Like, I'll be taking care of her like much more than I have in the past few years. Like, whatever she needs something, I'll be sending money. Like, mom, just hold this 3K for me right now. Like, take care of whatever you need. Hey, do you still have money? Like, oh, here's another 5K, bro. I don't need it. I just gotta thank her for everything she's done, bro. My brother's in the other room now, or in the lounge, busy playing PlayStation. But even him, bro, just gotta lock in for them, bro. I gotta save them. But he also gotta save himself as well. He gotta save our parents, bro. Make our father proud. But anyway, I like this. Talking to the camera. I didn't think I would like it, but I can go on for days. But anyway, not to bore you on and such. This is a long ass video, man. Let me just get into the trade that I try to take today. Oh yeah, thank God for Sai as well. The way he teaches how to trade, bro, and he doesn't charge you anything. Man, I got so much stories to tell you, or just saying to the camera, but that'll be for another day. Let's get into the trade, and then I'm gonna go read and read, and then be back in bed. Yeah, okay, it is working. So this is my charts, red and blue. It's kind of crazy. So last week, this is on the hourly chart, right? This is German 30. Yeah, you can see that. So last week, price made this support here. This is last week Friday, and then it was playing on. I entered the trade here, but then it kind of didn't do its thing. Why is my phone so slow, bro? Damn. Okay. And then I'll try and just screen record, whatever. I'll just make the quality better. I'll screen record next time. But anyway, made this support here. So I thought, okay, since price failed to make lower lows because we're on the downtrend, I was already anticipating that we were bearish underneath this level because of this indication that we had. Like, if it'll load it, please. Yeah, because of this indication here, days back. What day was this? The 1st of August. This big sell-off here. So I knew that underneath this level we are bearish. So price moved up, corrected a bit, and then I started seeing high highs and high lows. I'm like, yeah, we're definitely on a downtrend right now. But anyway, price came here, tapped in last week or the week before, and then it didn't. Then it's bought up again and then sold off again. So I'm like, okay, we sold off. I caught this trade actually. I didn't catch the whole movement, but yeah, I caught it. I was happy that day, but I knew. I think this was like the next week. Yeah, it was a Tuesday. Yeah, I remember. It just sold off. I'm like, I knew it. I could have held. I didn't hold because I started retesting a bit and like put my stop loss, trading stop loss, and then hit that stop loss, and then continue down. So I'm never doing that again. Just put my stop loss above highs, below lows, if at places where it invalidate my setup. So yeah, bounced off this level. Didn't really reach that indication, but it's fine. Then I started seeing price make higher highs now because this high low, sorry. So this low is higher than this one. This low is higher than this one. So I'm like, okay, we bullish again, and we broke above this lower high because if price is gonna be bearish, it's not gonna just break a high. It's gonna continue down. So it kind of almost didn't here. So I expected it to sell off completely, but then it just bounced back up. I'm like, okay, indicated that we are essentially bullish above this level. So it indicated first, came back down, and then I think I caught this trade as well. Then it pushed back up. and then yeah, it pushed back up, and then I exited early. So and then I'm like, okay, we are basically okay, I can just keep it there. We're basically bullish now. But then NFP came through. I entered this trade on Friday. I think I shouldn't trade Mondays and Fridays, but anyway. And then it just sold off. I'm like, what? Okay. I'm like, thank God I exited the trade because I was in buys, but then it was just ranging the whole time. Then I'm like, you know what? Let me just close because it's almost NFP, and I'm just gonna like close because I don't wanna hold trades into the next session. I'd rather close before session because I've seen that it could just quickly invalidate your whole setup. Not really, but yeah, I'll just close before. Sometimes it's just a heavy retest, but yeah, I'm not there yet, but I'll get there. So I'm like, okay, it broke a level of support here. I'm like, okay, shit. Then I'm gonna wait for price to actually come back above this level. I set an alert here, and then it's just gonna probably sell off. So this was today, yeah. So I anticipated that as soon as it gave me like I went to the 15 minute, and then I saw okay, it price came above this level here, and then it sold. So I sold somewhere here, yeah. And then I thought I was targeting the lows again, but clearly it didn't because it came back above this support here and then tapped in and then came down and it sold off again, but sold off later in the day. And I was like, bruh, I called the sells, but then I'm like, oh shit. Then I also saw this because I was watching size scalping videos. So I saw this. I'm like, okay, price. There's sellers here and buyers here. So we're in a no trade zone basically. Indicated above. I'm like, okay, shit. I'm waiting for it to retest. Then I said buy. Buy, bought. And I was targeting basically this level here. And then I'm like, oh shit. Then I changed my. Oh, remember I told you I changed my bias when it came down here. Then I'm like, oh shit, I remember this. No, 15 minute. We were ranging and indicated above this level. Then I'm like, okay, fine. Let me enter buys. Enter buys. It pushes up, and then it just charts my account like somewhere here. And I opened 0.10 because I was so confident. But I should have just been confident with myself because I was in profit, closed, and then it just retested and then pushed further down. This would have been an easy $200. But yeah, and then price ended up pushing above that level again later in the day. And I'm like, you know what? It's cool, man. I learned my lesson. It is what it is. But yeah, that was a trade I took. But let me see. I don't know why it doesn't allow me anymore because I was able to open more than one layout, but it's fine. Yeah, then I took. Um, I wanna exit this thing, but okay. Let me just go on gold. Gold, I entered buys because it indicated above a high and then push up. I think this thing chopped me. If I'm being honest, actually no, I didn't. I think I'm still in the trade. Now it's just ranging. So it indicated above this high. So I figured, okay, shit, we're in an uptrend. So when price came down, I entered buys, held for the whole day. I opened like around to 6 before I left work, and then pushed up and then just started selling off. Closed one of my accounts, chopped my account because I had like $30 left. So now I think I'm still in the trade here because it didn't go. I think my stop loss is somewhere here. Oh, not my stop loss. If it gets here, then my account is blown. But I think I'm still in it. But I'm gonna hold it though because it's still probably just normally if it indicates it goes up the first time, then it indicates okay, it didn't really retest here. It'll correct for a bit and then we wait for the second time around to enter. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold it. If it blows my account, blows my account. But anyway, that's it, man. Those are trades I took today, Monday. And yeah, damn, this video's 30 minutes, bro. Fuck. I don't think anyone's gonna watch this, but I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna put it on YouTube though. And then yeah, just a simple video. Me and my phone, no editing, no nothing. I ain't chopping anything out. You're gonna watch the whole video, Nick. But yeah, yeah. Let me go do my thing, bro. Probably also make some music. My music has been taking a standstill, bro. But I'm still releasing some other archive songs. Oh yeah, and thank you to those who've been listening, bro. Like you guys have been crazy with coming back and listening. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. This video's like 30 minutes now. Damn. It's so easy to just go overboard, but yeah, I see it now. Anyway, man. Love you. Peace and love, man. We are profitable traders. So I'm also going to document my life tomorrow, how I actually get up every morning and what I do. Because why the fuck not? I actually like this.